I had problem in my ear. I couldn't hear. I feel dizzy. I do not do a lot of work, and I'm happy that after 6 years of, trying to look for the treatment, try to know what is happening inside my ear, inside me, I went everywhere to check in my country, and I didn't get the treatment, what I should know about my sick. But when I came here, they found out about my sick in the same week, and they treated me. I went to surgery and they removed it, and now I'm feeling fine and better.
My name is Samuel Nathan. Linda is my wife. We had the problem that she has, which the doctors did not actually give the name. We tried to visit the doctor quite often in PNG. Other hospitals we visited, but because of the lack of facility in PNG, they didn't pinpoint and tell us what the problem was. And so we heard about Medivisor through an ad in the internet, through Facebook. And at that time, we were actually planning to go to another country. So when we saw that, we said, that's a nice testimony, a testimony from a family from PNG that actually came here to India to receive the treatment. And we say, maybe we should give that a go. But I actually initially communicated with Medivisor, and I asked, how are you going to do the treatment? And there's always two things that many of you, maybe one of you, may be thinking about. Two things. One, the cost, and two, the timing of the treatment. So we were calculating around that time, and they gave us a good time, which workable time. So what they did, we communicated with them, and then we arranged for the visa and then everything with them. They assisted us they were so good with PR and their communication relation with us. So just there, we arranged for everything. They helped us to get work on the visa as well. And then we flew here. So they initially gave us the cost. They said, you should be paying for that, and you should stay within this period of time. Upon arrival, they welcomed us, brought us to a place to stay, and then quickly we received the treatment. The process is very fast, the treatment here. We go from one place to another, and within 1 week, we did all the checks necessary. And after 1 week, she actually went for the surgery. The doctor just I think the second day, he told us, I know what the disease is. The name of the disease is cholesterol, and we're going to go through that. But to be sure, we have to do other checks and stuff. And everything, we did it within a short period of time. And within 1 week, we did the surgery. And the treatment, it's very nice, cost effective, one. So the cost is very cost effective, and the timing very quickly. And we've heard about other places as well, that countries that people go to receive treatment. And we've considered all the different options. But I think Medivisor is one of those options, one of the best options out there, that anyone who's thinking about receiving treatment can come here. I personally recommend it. And anyone who wants to go, they can communicate with them through the website or either through Facebook. They will link their contact as well. Or even personally contact me. I'd be willing to assist anyone who wants to travel to India and receive the treatment through Medivisor as well, of course. And so far, we receive the best treatment, accommodation, hospitality, the best. Every night they would call on us and check, how are you guys doing? Are you guys okay? Every day they check up on us. They had someone always there to take us to the hospital. And so we were not alone as well. We had someone to assist us. And the whole process was made simple and effective and very nice. So we recommend Medivisor to anyone who is willing to travel to India to receive treatment. If you're thinking to go to other countries, neighboring countries like Australia and Singapore, and there are many places, but I highly recommend Medivisor and coming to India to receive your treatment.
I am Linda. I'm from Enga province. Before we come to India, I had problem in my ear. I couldn't hear. I feel dizzy. I do not do a lot of work, and I like to sleep a lot because of my headache and all this. And I used to go to the hospital, and it's like week. I will go for blood test, and then they will say, come to next week and you will do your consultation, and then the other week, CT scan. So it's like I was going to the hospital forever or something like this, until we saw Medivisor. Medivisor is a clinic in a big hospital in India, where I saw the testimonies. People from PNG went to India to get the treatment, and I decided to tell my husband that why not we go to India, and that's when we decided to come here. Well, when we came here at the airport, they waited for us. The transport was there. They took us all the way to the hotel room, and we came on one Tuesday, and on the Wednesday, they took us to the hospital. There I did all the check, blood test, CT scan, everything. And doctor said that you will do the surgery on the next Wednesday. So I did my surgery on that week, and now I'm fine. I'm super happy right now, because in 2 weeks' time, everything was done. I'm happy that after 6 years of, trying to look for the treatment, try to know what is happening inside my ear, inside me, I went everywhere to check in my country, and I didn't get the treatment, what I should know about my sick. But when I came here, they found out about my sick in the same week, and they treated me. I went to surgery and they removed it, and now I'm feeling fine and better. I see that India, Medivisor is a good place to come and get treatment. They do all sorts of treatment, but they do it fast within the time, and they give the best treatment here.